friends, welcome to Let's Talk Nifty. So it's a very interesting situation that we find ourselves in, where Nifty is having a double inside bar. So targets are pretty simple, right? Whichever side it breaks, that's the side that we are going on. I am bullish at this moment. As 250 points, which wherever it breaks from. So either it is going to be 7,900, 19,900.
Let's see.
Cool. That's about takes us around 20,000, and if it breaks down, then that would be a plus down to around 19,410. So these are the two targets which can come potentially, and these two are the ones that we should look for. Now,
there's no point in using any minor level.
it's very simple. 19,857 is a very important level above which market can move up. 19,857. So that's a level that you should look for. And
First target would be 19,950.
and then we have 20,000 and 30. Okay. So those are the targets for the day. I'm still bullish. I'm looking at the stock options. And let's see fire. By the way, previous if you consider the downwall as APC, then at this point AB equal to BC. So the equality is achieved, but there is no rule that it has to stay at equal. Let's see what happens, right? So expect it to be a little bit volatile in nature, and if there is a good gap up, let's say around about this, then we can wait for it to come somewhere here, and then it could move up to 19,965. So that's the target or strategy for the day. Wish you all good luck, and be ready for both sides in case it breaks down as well. So we can expect a good range expansion either today or tomorrow, or I think today mostly. That's the view on Nifty. I hope this is helpful, and do join me later for another video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.